Here we have two brand new additions to the Easihold range, the Vuba Mulch Glue and the Vuba Stone Glue. Vuba is our award-winning sister company supplying resin-bound materials worldwide to professional installers. Customers often ask for a way to secure loose stones and mulch around driveways and gardens, which led to the development of these products, and why they now form a part of the Easihold range. Once mixed at 2 parts glue to 1 part water, a full bottle will cover up to 10 meters squared. In this example, I'm mixing 250 ml of glue with 250 ml of water. After mixing, firstly flatten the surface, then apply using an airless sprayer, compact the surface and wait 30 minutes, then apply the second spray, allow 36 hours for full curing. Secondly, the Vuba Stone Glue is a concentrate designed to be mixed with water at a 2:1 ratio to increase coverage and provide excellent value for money. Once mixed at 2 parts glue to 1 part water, a full bottle will cover up to 10 meters squared. Mix together, then using an airless sprayer, you can do your first spray. Compact the surface, wait around 30 minutes, and then apply the second spray. You can also mix the product into a bucket to ensure all stones are evenly coated, especially useful if you are filling cracks or working stones into tight spaces. Allow 36 hours for full curing. Upgrade your landscape with Easihold. Stronger, cleaner, and greener than ever. This is Easihold.